When you look across the modern firing line, the 6.5 Creedmoor stands out as an absolute benchmark of long-range precision. It has earned massive, well-deserved respect throughout American shooting culture as a highly efficient, mild-recoiling cartridge that turned long-distance marksmanship into an accessible sport for everyone. But as we operate in 2026, ballistic technology has advanced to a point where a handful of specialized cartridges are completely outperforming the standard Creedmoor profile in raw energy delivery and flatline trajectory. Today, we are breaking down the definitive countdown of the top 9 high-performance cartridges that leave the 6.5 Creedmoor completely in the dust. We will analyze the physical metallurgy, the internal case capacities, and the precise terminal ballistics needed to stretch your long-range performance far beyond traditional limits. And you will definitely want to stay locked in until we reach our number 1 spot, because this modern engineering masterpiece has taken the precision rifle world completely by storm and might just surprise you with its sheer authority. Before we look at the ballistics charts and unpack these heavy-hitting numbers, make sure your eyes are locked on the screen, your volume is set, and your mind is ready. Let us get straight into the countdown. Number 9. The 2506. Remington, a standard 20-round box of premium 506 Remington ammunition commands a retail price of approximately $43 in 2026. Born from a clever Wildcat design that necked down the immortal 3006 Springfield casing to receive a quarter-inch projectile, this underrated gem delivers lightning, fast performance that leaves modern standard calibers in the dust. The core engineering focuses on pushing lightweight bullets at blistering muzzle velocities, pushing past 3,200 feet per second, yielding an incredibly flat trajectory that maximizes your point-blank range in open country. From a field ergonomics perspective, when chambered in a traditional long-action hunting rifle weighing around 7.5 pounds, the cartridge offers a remarkably mild, highly manageable recoil impulse that prevents shoulder fatigue during long training days. The balanced physical layout allows marksmen to maintain flawless sight alignment through high-magnification optics, without suffering from the violent muzzle climb typically associated with heavy 30-caliber Magnum platforms. This makes it an exceptionally comfortable tool for tracking medium-sized big game across windy valleys or long open ridges. The mechanical action handles the long casing body with absolute physical smoothness, guaranteeing a clean feed up the magazine ramps and a rock-solid lockup inside the steel receiver ring. When the firing pin drops against the boxer primer via a crisp 3-pound factory trigger, the specialized powder charge burns completely and uniformly to ensure superb shot-to-shot consistency out past 400 yards. The high velocity ensures that the bullet cuts through air resistance efficiently, minimizing the need for massive elevation tracking changes on your scope turret. The 2506 Remington stands as a highly efficient, laser-flat performer that beautifully balances classic long-action power with exceptionally comfortable, low-fatigue shootability. Number 8. The 243 Winchester, coming in at a highly economical retail price of roughly $30 per 20-round box. The classic 243 Winchester is a generational staple that continues to prove its worth on the line. Built to dominate everything from varmint fields to medium-sized big game, this timeless round balances low operating costs with flat, shooting mechanics that modern short-action shooters love. The cartridge necked down the venerable 308 Winchester hull to accept a sleek 6mm projectile, operating at a high internal pressure of 60,000 psi to maximize down-range efficiency. Handling characteristics are exceptionally smooth, as running this round through a lightweight short-action bolt rifle keeps the overall weapon weight perfectly balanced and easy to carry over miles of backcountry tracking. The mild physical recoil completely prevents shooter flinching or anticipation, making it an ideal training platform for newer shooters who still require definitive terminal stopping power on deer-sized game. The compact dimensions of the cartridge mean it sits comfortably inside standard sport stocks, maintaining a highly natural point of aim during fast offhand field shots. Mechanically, the short casing geometry cycles with total physical reliability through bolt actions and traditional pump configurations alike, sliding into the polished chamber smoothly without any manual dragging or friction. Squeezing a refined single-stage trigger initiates a fast, highly predictable primer ignition that leaves the operator perfectly positioned to track bullet impact directly through the scope view. The round is famously forgiving to reload and highly stable across a wide variety of commercial factory powders, ensuring consistent performance regardless of changing seasonal temperatures. The 243 Winchester is a legendary ultra-forgiving caliber that pairs a superb flat-line trajectory with minimal physical fatigue for endless range days. Number 7. The 6mm Creedmoor, positioned with a current retail price of approximately $42 per 20-round box. The 6mm Creedmoor is the high-speed tactical sibling designed explicitly to optimize competition accuracy. Built from the ground up to handle long, heavy for-caliber projectiles with high ballistic coefficients, this cartridge has rapidly become a dominant force among competitive precision shooters on the national circuit. The system pushes advanced aerodynamic bullets at extreme muzzle velocities exceeding 3,000 feet per second, allowing it to maintain a noticeably flatter arc and significantly less wind drift than its standard target counterparts. Ergonomically, when fired from a heavy precision chassis rifle weighing around 11 pounds, the cartridge generates a feather, light, almost imperceptible recoil impulse that allows you to watch your own bullet trace all the way to the steel plate. This ultimate control keeps your body perfectly relaxed, preventing the physical fatigue that builds up over an intense 2-day tactical shooting match. The streamlined cartridge profile fits beautifully within compact receiver dimensions, ensuring your shoulder pocket remains perfectly pocketed and comfortable through hundreds of continuous rounds. The short-action cartridge profile ensures seamless feeding from standard AICs, style box magazines, interacting flawlessly with high-speed bolt throws and short-stroke tactical actions without binding. Breaking a crisp 2-pound match trigger releases the firing pin to ignite the boxer primer with total mechanical uniformity, guaranteeing tight, repeatable sub-MOA groups out at 1,000 yards. The precise 30-degree case shoulder maximizes powder burn efficiency inside the chamber, preventing wild velocity spreads that could cause vertical stringing on long-distance targets. The 6mm Creedmoor is a razor-sharp high-velocity precision champion that delivers laser-like trajectories with virtually zero user fatigue on the firing line. Number 6. The 6.5 Weatherby RPM, commanding a premium retail price point of approximately $85 per box of 20 in 2020. 6. The specialized 6.5 Weatherby rebated precision Magnum is a pure hot rod built for wide-open landscapes. This cartridge was custom-engineered to wring every single ounce of velocity out of a 6.5mm bullet without requiring a massive heavy Magnum-length receiver chassis. By utilizing a unique rebated rim design, the casing fits cleanly into standard short-action bolt faces, while packing an immense powder reservoir that drives aerodynamic projectiles at blistering speeds, well north of 3,200 feet per second. When housed in an ultra-lightweight backcountry hunting rifle weighing under 6 pounds, the recoil impulse is noticeably sharper and punchier than a standard cartridge, but remains highly manageable when paired with a quality muzzle brake. The physical reward of this extra velocity is a dramatically flatter arc and massively reduced bullet drop past 500 yards, giving mountain hunters ultimate confidence when conditions get unpredictable on open ridgelines. The specialized casing design handles intense internal pressures safely, ensuring maximum kinetic energy transfer that results in clean, ethical kills on large game. The mechanical action cycles with fluid, positive engagement as the rebated casing rim slides effortlessly up the feed ramps and locks securely under the extractor claw of a turn bolt. Firing this high-speed Magnum through an adjustable 2-stage trigger allows the shooter to execute clean, long-range placements with absolute mechanical stability. The cartridge geometry is meticulously scaled to prevent extraction friction, ensuring the spent brass is flung clear of the ejection port even after high-pressure ignitions in sub-zero mountain environments. The 6.5 Weatherby RPM is an engineered speed demon that provides true Magnum-class energy and flatline trajectories inside a compact, fast-handling rifle platform. Number 5. The 7mm 08 Remington, stepping in at a retail price of roughly $52 per 20-round box. The 7mm 08 Remington is a masterful blend of short action efficiency and heavy-hitting ballistics. This highly balanced round acts as a perfect bridge for shooters who want more terminal reach than a standard full-power 20-caliber round without suffering from the exhausting physical punishment of a Magnum recoil pocket. The technical design involves necking down a .308 Winchester casing to house a high ballistic coefficient 7mm bullet, launching it with superb energy retention downrange. Housed in a lightweight short-action rifle chassis, the platform offers an exceptionally comfortable, balanced shooting experience that minimizes total field carry weight for long stalks through dense timber and rolling foothills. The high sectional density of those 7mm projectiles helps the round buck severe crosswinds easily, maintaining a laser-straight trajectory and delivering deep, devastating penetration out past 400 yards. This gives outdoorsmen a highly responsive, nimble tool that feels completely natural on the shoulder during rapid snapshots. The short, non-Magnum casing interacts beautifully with fast turn, bolt operations gliding from the internal magazine into the chamber without any sticking or manual friction. Pressing a refined, single-stage 4-pound trigger provides a clean, predictable ignition that lets you stay completely locked onto your target through the optic to witness the impact. The efficiency of the casing design extracts maximum velocity from standard barrel lengths, ensuring clean operations and extended barrel life compared to overboard calibers. The 7mm 08 Remington is a highly adaptable, incredibly shooter-friendly performer that balances low recoil with immense terminal authority in the field. Number 4. The .308 Winchester, retailing at a highly stable market price of approximately $35 per 20-round box in 2026. The legendary .308 Winchester is an immortal powerhouse of American shooting culture. Having served across countless military deployments, law enforcement sniper missions, and big game hunting seasons, this do-it-all staple is the absolute definition of a dependable workhorse. Operating at a high maximum chamber pressure of 62,000 psi, the cartridge typically drives heavy 150 to 175 grain projectiles with absolute mechanical uniformity. When paired with a traditional bolt-action rifle or a modern semi-automatic tactical chassis, the round delivers a firm, honest rearward punch that remains remarkably easy to master with standard range practice. The widespread commercial availability of this caliber means you can find an infinite variety of bullet weights and surplus options, making it exceptionally economical to maintain your high-volume training cycles throughout the year. The robust overall construction adds a reassuring layer of structural confidence, keeping the shooter grounded and stable through extensive benchcrest evaluation sessions. The robust rimless base interacts flawlessly with heavy-duty extractor claws and rotating bolt assemblies, cycling smoothly through everything from manual turn, bolts to high-speed semi-automatic platforms under harsh weather conditions. The short-action bottlenecked case provides incredible ballistic consistency, maintaining rock-solid energy delivery and predictable trajectories out to 800 yards on the range. Reloaders and custom precision builders love working with this casing because its thick brass walls endure multiple heavy resizings without showing premature throat or pocket stretching. The .308 Winchester is a timeless, bulletproof icon that delivers unmatched ammunition versatility and rock-solid terminal reliability across every shooting discipline. Number 3. The .270 Winchester, holding a position of absolute prestige with a standard retail price of approximately $40 per box. The historic .270 Winchester has been a trusted cornerstone for American hunters for nearly a century. First introduced in 1925, this flat shooting classic continues to hold its own against cutting-edge modern designs by delivering sheer battlefield velocity and field-proven terminal results. The cartridge utilizes a bottlenecked long-action casing to propel a .277 diameter projectile at staggering muzzle velocities well exceeding 3,000 feet per second, creating an exceptionally flat trajectory over extreme distances. Fired from a traditional wooden or modern synthetic hunting rifle weighing around 8 pounds, the cartridge offers a smooth, rolling recoil push that is gentle enough for long training days but packs enough kinetic authority to clean drop mature elk. The balanced weight of a full-sized long-action rifle helps anchor the steady crosshair movement, drastically reducing bullet drop across deep canyons or wide-open valleys where range estimation is critical. This timeless balance builds immense user comfort, letting the marksman stay completely focused on the fundamentals of the shot process. The long-action casing body cycles through the receiver with fluid mechanical precision, locking the dual bolt lugs tightly into the receiver ring for a perfect chamber seal that contains high-pressure burns safely. Actuating a fine 3-pound factory trigger brakes with absolute crispness, allowing the marksman to focus entirely on maintaining perfect breathing control until the round hits steel downrange. The length of the body ensures zero feeding tilt inside internal box magazines, guaranteeing a clean cycle every time you work the manual bolt handle under pressure. The .270 Winchester remains an immortal testament to ballistic balance, blending old-school American craftsmanship with devastating long-range flat shooting effectiveness. Number 2. The 6.5 PRC, commanding a standard retail price of roughly $60 per 20-round box, the advanced 6.5 precision rifle cartridge is widely regarded as the ultimate hot-rodded upgrade to the standard Creedmoor profile. Engineered to extract the absolute maximum ballistic potential out of 6.5mm bullets, this high-performance cartridge is a top choice for elite hunters and extreme long-range steel bangers. The The short Magnum casing body features a steep shoulder and increased powder capacity that pushes heavy, high ballistic coefficient bullets nearly 300 feet per second faster than its standard counterpart. When running this cartridge through a precision bolt action rifle equipped with a high-efficiency muzzle brake, the recoil impulse is quick and snappy, but remains incredibly manageable for maintaining sight picture continuity through your glass. The flat line trajectory and dramatically reduced wind drift provide a massive competitive edge, ensuring immense kinetic energy retention that guarantees ethical kills far past typical hunting distances. The structural ergonomics of the casing deliver match-grade stability, letting you track your bullet impacts clearly without losing your pocket position on the stock. The fat, non-belted case body is engineered to feed flawlessly from specialized, short-action Magnum magazines, avoiding any rim lock or manual binding during high-speed bolt manipulations under time constraints. Squeezing a crisp 2.5-pound match trigger activates the primer with lightning, fast ignition, letting you break tight, repeatable groups with extreme mechanical confidence. The cartridge geometry aligns itself perfectly with the center line of the bore, completely eliminating bullet deformation as it transitions into the rifling lands. The 6.5 PRC is a magnificent high-velocity powerhouse that delivers true Magnum performance in laser-like flat tracking without punishing your shoulder. Number 1. The 7mm PRC, claiming our absolute top spot as the ultimate long-range heavy hitter, is the revolutionary 7mm precision rifle cartridge, retailing at approximately $62 per 20-round box in 2026. Designed from the ground up by modern ballistic engineers to completely dominate the long-range landscape, this masterpiece features an optimized, non-belted case design that houses ultra-long, highly aerodynamic 7mm bullets boasting exceptionally high ballistic coefficients. Operating at a maximum chamber pressure of 65,000 psi, it launches heavy projectiles at a blistering 3,000 feet per second, maintaining immense velocity and flat-line trajectories well out past 1,000 yards. Fired from a premium precision rifle or a dedicated long-range hunting chassis, the round delivers a substantial authoritative recoil push that is easily tamed by a robust stock geometry and proper recoil management techniques. The heavy barrel harmonics remain exceptionally quiet and consistent, cutting down on bullet drop and wind adjustments to translate directly into fewer tracking corrections on your scope turret. The physical weight of the loaded long-action setup provides a beautifully anchored rock-solid baseline that instills total confidence when a trophy animal steps into the open crosshairs. The cartridge length is beautifully matched to standard long-action receivers, ensuring the bolt cycles with fluid, ultra-reliable mechanical precision as it feeds from the box magazine without hitching. Breaking a crisp 2-stage match trigger drops the firing pin with total geometric uniformity, igniting the temperature-stable powder core to ensure identical muzzle velocities from the first shot to the last. The absence of a traditional Magnum belt ensures the casing chambers perfectly square with the forcing cone, delivering unmatched match-grade repeatability that leaves every other standard hunting round completely in its shadow. The 7mm PRC captures our number 1 spot because it represents the absolute zenith of modern cartridge design, blending flat-line accuracy, massive energy retention, and flawless mechanical efficiency into the ultimate long-range weapon system. Reviewing the incredible technical data behind these 9 high-performance calibers reminds us that the pursuit of ballistic perfection is a continuous journey of innovation and engineering excellence. While the 6.5 Creedmoor will always retain its legendary status as a comfortable, accessible gatekeeper to precision, stepping up to the flat shooting speed of a 6.5 PRC or the raw long-range authority of the 7mm PRC opens up a whole new world of downrange capability. Choosing the perfect cartridge comes down to matching your personal hunting terrain and target distances with a caliber that provides total mechanical certainty whenever you press the trigger. Which of these hard-hitting cartridges are you planning to chamber in your next custom rifle project or backcountry build? Be sure to leave a comment down below with your personal ballistic choices and field experiences. If you found this technical cartridge comparison and mechanical analysis valuable, show your support by hitting that like button. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our upcoming premium firearm deep dives. Train hard, choose your calibers with absolute precision, and we will see you on the firing line next time.